What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing Web3. We just got back from Lisbon, Portugal for Apefest 2024. And if you haven't seen all of our content that we've already been posting, definitely go give it a watch. But for today, we're actually going to be diving into the Apefest merch. I'm joined here with Guccheetah. How you doing today, man?
Good, man. How you doing, buddy? I'm finally back home in good old Florida.
Yeah, buddy. I mean, super happy to be home. I'm sure you are too. But yeah, in today's video, we're going to highlight the actual merch store at Lisbon, Portugal. Give you guys a little bit of walkthrough, insert some of the B-roll, but specifically talk about the items that we were able to pick up from the store. But we decided to give you guys both perspectives. So I was able to pick up a lot of really cool stuff. I mean, obviously the hoodie that I'm rocking, it's the zip hoodie, bonded zip hoodie black, and it's got the BAYC tag up here, which was much requested by the community. And then we both got the exclusive blue Apefest merch shirt, which was included as part of the merch pack. Now, that was obviously at Apefest, and it was handed to us in like a nylon bag, and it included a couple other knickknacks like socks. And supposedly we're supposed to get a disposable camera. Don't know where that's at, but you know, maybe it's coming. With that being said, though, we also were able to order a lot of really cool things for you guys, and that was done by Guccheetah. What all did you pick up, man?
Yeah, man, I ended up getting a good little haul. During Apefest, I was so busy with Apefesting that I just couldn't really have time to go shopping. So I went online. There's still a bunch of stuff available, so go check it out. This sweater is probably my favorite apparel pickup. Love the colorway, love the quality. It's got little extras on the side, super soft, and this hat too. But Dilly, inside the bodega, I mean, how many different colorways did they have? How many different t-shirts and long sleeves they got?
Yeah, so I think the crew neck was a fan favorite. Obviously that colorway went like crazy, but they also had like a cream colored one as well, which was on the rack. And then what they did is they actually even made one that was a crop top for women, which you can see. Honestly, probably one of the biggest highlights of Apefest was that crew neck.
I might even go shopping again online, but the cool thing about what I'm learning from Apefest every year is they throw in some wild cards. Like last year they had some items like that you didn't quite maybe expect, like a marble ashtray or those Zippo lighters in the mutant style and the Bored Ape style. This year, they kind of went with occult vibes, right? A lot of different candles, a couple cool ones like some like witch looking candle with like sticking up a middle finger. I got this bad boy bust of an ape right here. This candle is really good quality, man. I mean, it's got so much detail and it's just really cool to put on a shelf. And this year, the packaging was no joke. Like this candle came in this box, beautifully well done. It says limited edition on top, got the BAYC branding. Really, really cool. Another cool random piece that they had was an urn that's also like a, you know, vase. So this is pretty dope. If you look, it looks like it's made like by hand. I don't even know. I think it was made in Mexico, but you see this version of the skull logo on here. I mean, it's just really cool. And like, these are subtle items you can put on your bookshelf, and they're only happening once, you know, Apefest Lisbon.
Well, not only did they have like the candles and the urns, but they were put on a display at the merch store with like feet sticking up with the socks on them, which came in 3 different colorways.
I can't wait to see what odds and ends, what oddballs they throw in next year. You know, there's some talk it's at Vegas. So Dilly, what kind of like odds and ends are we gonna have in a Vegas drop?
Oh, dude, we're probably gonna get playing cards. We're gonna have chips. I know a bunch of different things, but one thing we didn't really touch on too much is the t-shirts. Obviously, like I picked up this t-shirt right here, but you know, they had 4 different colorways. So they had this, you know, black color here, and each one of them comes with like the patch on the bottom of the shirt, which is a really nice material. They did that on each one of the merch items, but you had like a coral colored t-shirt, a gray t-shirt, and then 2 black tees. And then obviously that long sleeve that you talked about. And then one last item that we didn't mention is the hat that you're wearing. I mean, you kind of touched on it, but obviously you got that hat, and then there was 2 trucker hats as well, which was olive color and the black color. But tell me a little bit about your surf hat that you got on there.
So yeah, the one thing I really like about this hat is I wear my hats backwards a lot, and I love this little feature right here. You got the Bored Ape Yacht Club right there, you know, kind of facing front and center. So you're repping the Bored Ape front to back. They also went ahead and did like the little extras on the hat right here. So definitely a cool hat. I wish I got the trucker. Again, I might need to go shopping again.
Yeah, I mean, definitely a lot of really cool merch. Again, the store is still open, so definitely go pick up any items that you want for yourself. Really impressed. Thank you, Bored Ape Yacht Club, for all that you did in this merch drop. And if you guys want to go pick up some yourself, definitely click the link below. We'll link it for you guys, and you can go cop some gear.
Yeah, man. So thanks for tuning in. Hope you like this episode. Tune in every week for some new unboxings. Peace.